Write this polynomial as the product of two binomials. The product of two binomials of this form shows a pattern in the values of a and b. The coefficient of the x term is a plus b, while the constant term is the product of a and b. With this polynomial, this term represents a plus b, and this term represents a times b. If this polynomial can be factored, then we need to find the factors of negative 15 that add up to negative 2. Here are the factor pairs for negative 15, or the a times b. We have negative 1 times 15, 1 times negative 15, 3 times negative 5, and negative 3 times 5. Which pair of factors will add up to negative 2, or the a plus b? As you can see, this pair of factors, 3 plus negative 5, will add up to negative 2. So this polynomial can be factored as x plus 3 times x minus 5.